Welcome everybody. Alright, Cluby. Okay. Well, I'm going to show you a silver carp spot and a bighead spot. They're hitting hard right now. It should be common. I threw this one on one has a different boilie on this one than I do with the other one, so let's see. Alright. We are clip 25, I think. Yeah. We're at Sara. Getting a drink, but yeah, 25. But after this one, it's got a different boiler. It's got grass on it. So let's see what this one is. I don't have any PVAs or nothing, so I haven't got that far yet to unlock it. But there's our first big head. Yeah, big head, and then also with this, I'll probably switch over to that boilie to that other one because that one was. Change this one. I'll throw all three. I'll change this one. Have all three because big head are biting and silvers in this spot. Silver carp. So take the halibut off, and there ain't no bait out there. No, the hole is not loaded up. I don't have that yet. I don't even have the spot rod unlocked yet. So as is, I guess. Alright. Now try one more fish and then but also I guess I'll show the setup, but yeah, we're right there. But we're just right now grassy cake 14 and 15 the herbs. And then grass on all three classic. Hair rig, all three same exact, everything are the same. All right, one more fish and try to get a silver, and then we'll end the video because I'll try to keep it short since I don't have to upload the video. So well, maybe I don't have. It'd be faster if I had bait out there in PVAs, but I don't. So we'll just have to wait a minute and see. If not, I'll just end it. But and then wait to get a silver, add that or something maybe. If I think about it. Alright, here's we got here. Please be a silver. It'll be so far with this bait. I think it was getting silvers or big heads. So it's getting a lot of silvers here. I'll show, but right now silvers. Yep, there's our first silver. So see, and it's even my first silver on my alt account. So yep. Right now this spot is hot, so for silvers, and you also will catch some big heads. But I'm clip 25, and then so I'll show because on Sara, because all of a sudden it just went. I'll scroll on down. Show, but I seen that, and then I come over here and try this spot, and well, see. All right, let's see. See, look at this, Sara, since yesterday and then to today, but now see. grass case, and then also the halibut I'm doing, well, that fresh grass. So trying to also that grass, for silvers, but because they like the grass, silvers do. So threw that on there for them. So all right, thanks for watching, everybody. But that long enough just for that. So now if I get a monster show, maybe in tomorrow's video, but if I get a trophy, but chance of that without any PVAs is slim. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.